Hi, this is Sara Levin, the Artful Inker. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the U.S. And today I've got a one simple trick video for you on keeping your new heat and stick powder fresh. So after you have taken the lid off and removed the little covering seal, take a few grains of rice and just drop them right in, and don't spill them all over as I've just done. Doesn't take many. Shake them down into your powder, and the rice will absorb any humidity and keep clumping from happening, so that you'll be heating and sticking as long as that jar is around. Thanks for stopping by. This was Sara Levin, the Artful Inker of theartfulinker.com. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you'd like to be notified the next time I upload a video. Have a great day. Bye.